Okay, this guide is going to show you how to make a rollover button in Fireworks. So basically, first of all, what we do, we're going to make a button like we would do any other way. We choose the rectangle tool, draw on a button, blue background's fine, and we're going to call this button feedback. So we use the text tool, just draw it on the text box. Feedback. Okay, you notice that the text is in blue, so we can't see what we need to do then. Select it all, change the font colour to white will do. Okay, you can then go onto the selection tool, make sure that fits onto the button. Okay. What we want to do now is make sure this fits on the screen, so we want to go select and choose select all, and then modify canvas and fit canvas, and what that does is just make sure that it's all the size that we want. Okay, what we want to do now is convert this so it's actually a button. The way that we do that, we select it all, we want modify, we want symbol and convert to symbol, and you can see from this list it's going to be a button that we want. I'm going to just give you an OK on that. So that's the first button that we've got. What we want to do now is make that into the second button, and the way that we do that, we go edit, insert, and new button. Once you've chosen insert new button, what you need to do is click on the over option, and that basically means it will make a rollover button. Then design your second one using the rectangle tool, choosing colours that you want to use. Once you've done that, you can just click done down the bottom. You press F12 and that'll preview it. You just accept this security message. Choose yes on that one. You can see as you put your mouse over it, it changes, and you've therefore made a rollover button.